How to use Gantt chart for easy progress tracking. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your academic goals? If so, you are not alone. A Gantt chart can be a fantastic tool to help you manage your time and track your progress effectively. Let's look at how to use this visual timeline tool to break down large academic goals into smaller, manageable tasks. First, start by defining your academic goals clearly. Think about what you want to achieve, like completing a semester or finishing a research project. Once you have your main goal, break it down into smaller milestones. For example, if your goal is to write a thesis, your milestones could include researching, drafting, and revising chapters. Next, list all the tasks associated with each milestone. Assign specific start and end dates for each task. This step is essential because it helps you create a realistic timeline. You want to ensure you give yourself enough time to complete each part of your goal. The Gantt chart will visually display these tasks over the weeks or months. Now, let's visualize task duration and overlaps. Each task will be represented by a horizontal bar on the chart. The length of the bar shows how long the task will take. If you have tasks that can be done at the same time, they will overlap on the chart. This visual representation helps you plan multitasking effectively. Tracking your progress is vital. Regularly update your Gantt chart by marking completed tasks. This visual feedback allows you to see if you are on track or if you need to make adjustments. If you find yourself falling behind, don't hesitate to adjust your chart. You can shift tasks or extend deadlines as needed. This flexibility keeps your plan realistic. Using digital tools or templates can make creating and updating Gantt charts easier. Many software options offer user-friendly features, including drag and drop capabilities and progress tracking bars. These tools simplify the process of maintaining and visualizing your study schedule. In practical terms, you can use Gantt charts for various academic contexts. For instance, you can plan a semester by scheduling assignments, exams, and study sessions. If you are managing a research project, set deadlines for tasks like literature review, data collection, and writing. You can also track skill development outside of formal classes by scheduling practice sessions or workshops. By breaking down large academic goals into smaller tasks and visualizing them over time, Gantt charts help you stay focused and manage your time effectively. This approach provides a clear structure and regular checkpoints to measure your success. So, grab a template or a digital tool and start mapping out your academic journey today.